Freedom Fighters. This is Simon back again. I've made some more amendments or additions or improvements to the court case details section of this court registry support system. If we click in here, I've logged in as myself. This is where you put in your court information so that emails can be sent off to everyone, and you can going through these court details determine whether or not you want to attend. So if you log on and you see somebody else has listed their court information, you can actually click in here to attend, and the person will be notified that you've opted to attend. Okay, so we're going to go to the last one, and I'm gonna actually add a pretend one, because I don't want to show this in the. So I'm just going to add a pretend one. Okay, so here's a new pretend one, and I'm just going to create a random case number. Some places don't have case numbers. The court cases in Victoria do have case numbers, but in Queensland I've seen they don't. Well, in this system we need a case number, because case numbers are what these court details are indexed on. So if you haven't got a case number, just create one, a random one, and the system can then use that to index these details. I'm going to select a random category here. I've got a set of categories here. If you need another category, just let me know and I'll put it in. I'll call it council statute. Here we've got the max length of each of the fields. I'm going to put in a court date here. Say let's put it in the 29th of November. And court name. Now I've just got some court names I've put in here. If you wanted to add a court name that wasn't in here, you just click here and it will take you to the court details, and you add in a new court name and then they'll appear in this list. Okay, at the moment I'm just going to select, say, Geelong. Magistrate. If you know the magistrate's name, you put it in here. If a video is taken after you come back, you can do that. If this is all you know at the moment, you just put in here save, and that will then save that court information. You might want to add in some more stuff here. This is a pretend entry to demonstrate the use of this section in the court registry support system. Okay, and I can put in some blah blah stuff in here. Council want money from me, and I don't believe they have full authority to claim money. I don't have a contract with them. Okay, and that's the results once the court has completed. Once it's completed, the result date, you can put in a result date here once that's completed. Now the two new things that I've added is this attachment thing here. You can add in a file. Okay, so you might have a file like a PDF or something that you want to upload into this. Now it'll upload into an area that's created under the Freedom Fighters directory using your email. Yeah, it replaces that with an underscore and the dots with an underscore and creates a directory for you. So I'll just I'll grab a file. Okay, any file will do just to demonstrate the use of it. I'll go in here into documents and go into law, and in here I'll whack in say Mary Croft's response. There we go. To illegal corporate demands. Open that. So there's the file there, and then you can go ahead and upload that file. So there we go, upload it. And you can see here it says successfully saved to this directory and it's been uploaded. Alright. Now anybody else that comes along, if they've logged in as themselves and they have a look at this court information, they can then click here. I'll do a download first. You do that just so that it can update itself of that information. They can then look here and they can look at that and say, hey, I want that document. So they can click in there and then do a download. And you'll see it says here, click here to download that file. So then you can get a hold of that file that that person has uploaded to describe their court case. And they just click here to download that file. And there it is. If it's text, it does that. If it's a PDF, it'll then ask you to download it. Just go back. Here we go. So there you have it. Ooh, got some backslashes here. It gets interpreted because you're going backwards and forwards. Never mind. Maybe that's a little bit more bug fixing I need to do. But that's what I wanted to demonstrate. This attachment situation, uploading and downloading, getting the documents that a person has put in for their case. Now, you can upload as many documents as you want and they'll appear in this list, and then you can individually select ones to download. Once you've added stuff, you just go ahead and save it. And I come in and check these, and court cases coming up, I issue an email to everyone. At the moment that's not strictly automatic, but I'm not able to do that with the current hosting plan I've got. Alright, so that's all I wanted to demonstrate. You know, if you wanted to, when you log in, if you see a court situation and you want to attend, you just click on this attend button here, and then it'll automatically record that, and I'll have to go ahead and fix these backslashes, won't I? Something I'll have to do. You are attending your own kangaroo court, aren't you? Okay, so it's basically told me I can't click on that because I've logged in as this person, and this is the person. It's the same person who's attending the court. So you've got to be logged in as someone different to click on this attending, and then the person will be automatically notified that you want to log in. All right, there you go. That's all I wanted to say. Thanks.